afternoon, followers. Tom Lovelady here from Oceaneer Marine Brokers. We are live on board this 12-metre air rider just tucked on the eastern side of Carnac Island in Western Australia. This is a purpose-built fishing weapon built locally here in WA to an extremely high standard. She's powered by twin Yanmar 6LY 440s on stern drives. Gives her incredible cruising economy and a top speed around 35 knots. I'm standing up here in the game tower here with Dale, who's at the helm. Good afternoon, Dale.
Right.
So tell us a bit about the boat, Dale.
So it's 11-metre air rider, Gavin Mayer design, and powered by twin Yanmars with this Conrad 680B stern drives, the same ones that the American military put in their fast vessels. She's only got about 32 hours on the engines, coming up for its first service, and yeah, it's been
She's basically brand new then, mate.
Yeah. Generator, 5 kVA Mace generator on board. That's got 40 hours on it. Automatic air conditioning, full toilet, holding tank, Raymarine electronics, including radar, sounder, and of course the chart plotter.
Beautiful.
Autopilot, and one of the stress-free drum anchor winches on the front, as well as a bow thruster to make life nice and easy when you get back to the wharf.
Excellent, mate. Well, if you could bring us up to cruise speed, that'd be fantastic. About 25 knots would be great. That's a really comfortable cruise speed. I think we're doing about 25 knots downwind in about 18 to 20 knots southerly. We've already been out to pull the pots this morning and we bagged out 24. Had a few for lunch as well. The Global Marine Design Air Rider hull is named exactly that for that reason, mate. It feels like you're riding on air. A lot of alley boats get a bad rep for a harsh back-breaking ride, but not the air riders. With their semi-tri-hull design, you get large air pockets in between the two outboard hulls, all with a real fine entry and deep forefoot. Thanks, lady. Yep, nice and dry up here, mate. As you can see, huge cockpit space, built for fishing, pulling cray pots, hanging out a Rotto, the Abrolhos. Nice dual entry transom. Top speed of 35 knots, Jake? Walk around island cab, which is fully air conditioned. give it to her, mate. We'll see what she can do. Might have to apologise if the footage starts to get a bit shaky, mate. What speed are we doing there, Dale? Hey? Yeah, watch out for those bloody yachts.
I'll be alright, mate.
Yeah. You got the boss man on the back deck there. Dave McDonald on the bow. Wild West Charters. Go see him at Elizabeth Quay for your Swan River joyrides. Alright mate, if you can bring it to a rest, we'll bring the drone down. Thank you all for watching. If you have any more queries about the boat, please don't hesitate to send us a message. Send us a comment at the link below. The boat presents like new, unmissable opportunity for those serious fishermen. Oceaneer Marine Brokers are Australia's most trusted commercial and recreational marine brokers. Get in touch with Matt Lovelady, Tom Lovelady or Lachlan Boyd and have a great day. Cheers all, see ya.